Now I'm going to use my Bella Bullet blender to make myself a morning smoothie. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm getting a little hungry. I like this machine. I've used it now for about a year and it's working beautifully. I'm going to make a smoothie with strawberries, almond milk, a little yogurt, some flaxseed meal, some vanilla, some cinnamon, and I think that'll probably do. You could also use nuts. You could make a banana smoothie. One of my favorites is banana with peanut butter and almond milk. There's so many variations. Any kind of fruit will work. Any kind of thing that you like to drink will work really well. Okay, so here are my strawberries, and notice that I've washed and hulled them. Hulling means you take the point of a knife and you cut out the part that has the leaves on it. That's what hulling is. So I'm ready with my strawberries. Now I have to collect my other ingredients. Okay, so now it's time to put all of the ingredients into the blender. And first I'll take this little cup off. And here's the mechanism that blends everything. Nice sharp steel points. And I will start putting my ingredients into the blender cup. What I'm doing is I'm making these pieces of strawberry a little smaller. I wanted you to see them whole, but in the blender it's better if they're a little bit smaller. So I'm just mostly chopping them in half to make them a little smaller. Okay, so here they go. They're going in. Whoops. Gotta rinse that one off. And like I said, little bit of cinnamon, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. The flaxseed meal, I usually put in 1 teaspoon with a dry spoon. It's important that your spoon be dry because it will stick to the spoon. Actually, I make this a heaping teaspoon, like so. Big one. And then I will put the yogurt in, and I don't need to measure this. I kind of know a 1/2 cup, how much 1/2 cup is. So, put my 1/2 cup in there. And then I'll top it off with almond milk. And almond milk you should always shake before you use. It does the almond parts, which you don't really see, but they do, the thicker parts clump in the bottom. So shaking it up is a really good idea. And then adding about 3/4 of a cup. Now the last thing, last but not least, is some ice. Because if you don't care about having it cold, then don't put the ice in. But I like mine to be nice and cold. So I'm going to add some ice cubes. I added about 6 ice cubes. Now I'm going to put the top on this and make sure it's snugly tightened on the container. And I keep trying to remind myself to buy more of these containers because I only have the one. I misplaced one of them. Have no idea what I do with it. Okay. And then what I do is shake it up a little and try to get everything to go down toward the blades. Then you simply put it into the blender part and you turn it. And I usually blend it until I don't hear any more ice parts getting chopped up. You'll hear them, they kind of make a funny noise. So there's my smoothie ready to drink. Here's a little residue in the top, which I will rinse off. And I have my breakfast, yay! Some people do add a raw egg to this. I'm not brave enough to do that, but it is done. Just wanted you to know.